Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. Okay, as you can see, this is the introductory lecture for the course Introduction to Linguistics. I am the instructor of this course. My name is, as you can see, Hassan Al-Amari. Okay, and in our introductory lecture, we'll see the lecture elements, which are course description and objectives, course content, references and teaching resources, grading, and office hours. As for the course description, okay, as you can see, the course defines the language and how it works. So what is the definition of the language and how we use this language. And the course will lead students to examine their own beliefs and attitudes about language, okay, and provides them with techniques of language analysis, how to see or to analyze the language in a different way. Topics covered include the following: origins of language, where does language come from, okay, what is its origin, the structure of language, language structure, and how do we acquire language, language acquisition, language variety, and language and society, the use of language in society. The next part is the course objectives. Okay, normally by the end of this course you should be able to have an appreciation of the various components of language. What does language consist of? That means, okay, understand the underlying mechanisms of language, okay, understand and apply definitions appropriately in the study of language, identify differing grammatical structures and expressions between language, acquire increased depth of understanding of language at work, better differentiate usage in spoken and written forms, maintain increased sensitivity in attitude and evaluation of language. As for the language content, it will be the different chapters from the main textbook, which we will see by the end of this introductory lecture, which is the study of language by George Yule, okay, sorry, and okay, so the course content. The course will cover the different chapters of that textbook, which starts with the origins of language, and in comparison with to compare animal and human language, okay, the development of writing when it started, okay, the sounds of language, the different sounds of language, sound pattern of language, words and word formation processes, morphology, phrases, sentences, that's grammar, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, discourse analysis, language and the brain, first language acquisition, second language acquisition, gestures and sign language, language history and change, okay, language and the regional variation, language and social variation, language and culture. These are the different lessons or the different parts or chapters of the textbook. We are going to cover, we'll try to cover all of them, but in fact we will be selective within the lesson itself, okay. As for the references and teaching resources, okay, the main textbook is the study of language by Yule George. The study of language, I would like you to get the 3rd edition, okay, which is edited by edited by Cambridge University Press, and it is available at Jarir Bookstore, Ubain, and Labukan Bookstore. Other references and teaching resources may be very helpful for you. The following websites, okay, links, the following links. You may use them to enlarge your knowledge and to enrich your knowledge about this course. As for the marks, okay, so the total marks will be 100, divided as it is mentioned, okay. The participation in discussion forums on Blackboard, that will be assigned 10 marks, okay. Okay, the attendance of recorded and direct lectures, okay, will be assigned 10 marks. Home assignments 10 marks. As for the final exam, it will be out of 70 marks. So the final exam and the assignments, the different assignments, apart from the discussion forum, okay, it will be multiple choice questions, as you know. Okay, so for the concerning the assignments, home assignments, there will be 3 home assignments. The first one and the second one out of 3, the fourth one out of 4. Okay, so the first one, for example, which is out of 3 marks, will contain 3 multiple choice questions. Okay, each is marked 1 mark. And as for the last one, the third home assignment is out of 4, so it will consist of 4 marks, and each question is out of 1 mark. Concerning the final exam, it will be out of 70 marks, and that means it consists of 70 multiple choice questions. Each multiple choice question has 4 options, okay, and you have to decide about the only one correct option. Okay, concerning the means of contact, okay, with the instructor, that's with me, okay, that's during the office hours. Okay, as mentioned in the PowerPoint presentation, that's on Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday. Usually from 8 to 9 p.m. That's evening, yeah? So it will be through a mobile number that I will provide you soon as soon as possible, and as soon as I get it, okay? Because still I'm asking, maybe by next lecture you will have it. As the same thing, I need to activate my email, my official email at the university, and you will have it by next lecture as well. Okay? Thank you very much. So see you next time.